Hi everyone! This video is a recreation from a French movie, Portrait of a Lady on Fire. First, I will show you how to create this headband with a mask, and second, I will show you how to make it a little bit more comfortable. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our headband. For this headband, you will need a scarf at least 70 inches long. The best fabric is tight gauze, made of cotton or linen. Twist one end of your scarf and make a headband. Tie the ends behind. Take the long end and make a face cover. Pass it under the hairband. Twist the end again and form the second headband. You can tie the ends behind or just twist it a few times around the headband. Et voila! Your look is ready. If you are familiar with face covers, you may know that the mask tied like this will need frequent adjustment. To avoid it, let's do some changes. We tie the first knot not behind, but on the side at the ear level. Just like this. Form a face cover. Pass it on the headband at the ear level. Make the second headband. It took me a few trials to understand what is the right tension of the headband and mask to be comfortable to wear. This face cover is much more secure. For more scarf ideas, remember to subscribe. I'd like to thank the viewer for the idea of this video. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section down below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see in the future. See you next time. Bye!